Hi there. How are you doing? Welcome to this creative land of learning. In today's video, we will learn about Discovery of Electron, we will understand its model and will also look at the scientists who take part in it, as well as some interesting facts and figures. So without wasting time, let's get started. Introduction to Discovery of Electron. Electron was discovered firstly by J J Thomson in 1897. Discharge Tube Experiment was carried out to discover electron. Its working is such alike. Didn't understand? Let's dive into it first. Let's first talk about its working process. Firstly, a gas discharge tube was filled with gas, vapor, or air at any desired pressure. Then, two metallic electrodes were set in it named as cathode and anode. The electrodes are then connected to a source of high voltage. The scientist wanted to discharge the gas in the tube. In the beginning, electric current passed through the discharge tube, but gas did not decompose even at the high voltage of 5000 volts. They were frustrated, so they thought about lowering pressure. So, they attached a vacuum pump at the end of discharge tube, and when they reduced the pressure to about 0.001 torr and applied high voltage of about 5000 to 10,000 volts, the gas decomposed and became a conductor. When they further reduced the pressure, emission of light or discharge of the gas stopped, and certain rays were seen traveling from cathode towards anode. These rays were called cathode rays as they were ejected from cathode. This is known to be the discharge tube experiment. Now, let's dive into the scientist involved in the experiment. As I mentioned earlier, the experiment was carried out by J J Thomson in 1897. And the name electron was given by Stoney in 1891. Now it's time to discuss some important facts and figures. Number 1. In discharge tube experiment, no electricity was conducted by gas at high pressure. Number 2. Gas conducted electricity at low pressure of about 0.001 torr. Number 3. Cathode rays travel from cathode towards anode and are negative in nature. That's all you need to know about discovery of cathode rays. If you had any query or any question, please let me know in the comment section so that I can get back to you. Please do subscribe my channel so that you can get such videos, and also click on the bell icon next to it. If you liked the video, then like, comment and share with others. Thanks for watching.